Where can I hide? Too small. There's no enough space. This is the best place to hide. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Do you have work for me?
Can you build a secret room inside the fridge?
Of course!
Yay!
Apple?
Strawberry. Milk.
Let's go!
Yes!
Come on!
Oh no!
Yeah!
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Daddy will never find me here.